Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Linux operating system or Linux server in your Hyper-V. So let's just go right click here on the machine, click here, let's go to virtual machine, go to next, let's give here name, I will give here Linux, next we will go to the generation 1. I have told you what is the generation and all in my previous video of virtualization. If you directly check, I will go to 2048. I don't want dynamic memory. I also told what is dynamic memory in my previous video. So just go and watch. I will give an external switch. I have also told what is this external switch. Everything I have told actually. So you can just watch my previous video that what is Hyper-V and what exactly we do in the Hyper-V. What exactly are these all options. Next, we will download the operating system later. Next, finish. So it will create our disk. It will create our uh, DVD and all. Now let's go to setting. Click this, select this settings. Let it boot from CD. We need only two processors here, and here in DVD we will select an image file. In image file, I have Ubuntu also. I have Oracle Linux also. So we will install Oracle Linux, and here checkpoint. We don't need checkpoint. We are not doing any advanced things here. We will add guest services also, and what else? Nothing. Apply. Okay, let's just connect this, start the virtual machine. Okay, in this we will go with the first one, install Oracle. We don't need to test, we will directly install. Okay, I will go with full screen. Let us install. If it shows something like checking disk checking, so just click on escape and skip that disk checking, because that disk checking will take 1.5 hours of your time, and it is nothing, it is just time waste in my opinion. So skip the disk checking using escape button. So here we got our installation window. Let's just select English India, continue. We have some a lot of options to configure. First we will go to installation source. No, in the init we will not change anything. We will go with this one, software selection. It is showing server with GUI. Currently we only need command line interface with development tools. Okay, we don't need GUI version, we just need command line, only command line interface we need. Done. And then here you don't change anything, we will keep it automatic only. You don't need any encryption also. What is this? We don't need to change this. Let's go to network, and here it has given some IP address here. So let's just configure it. Look, this is the IP address. We will configure automatically. We need automatic IP addresses. So I will just see this one, and I will just give this IP address itself. You can give your IP addresses from the ranges you have in your previous machines. It will be easier for you to remember also. So numlock on 192. Okay, numlock is not working. 192.168.40. What should I give? 146. So this is the range I have been giving from previous some days to all of my virtual machines, and this is the range I will give to this machine also. 162.40.2. This is the gateway I have been giving, and domain name server, we don't need to give any domain name server right now. And let's just configure it. Okay, save. If you have any domain name server, you can give it. Turn it off, turn it on, and look, iPad is showing here. It doesn't matter if now it's showing. Let's give the name host name. I will give Linux machine. Okay, this is the host name. You can give any host name. Give your host name for the purpose you are using this machine for. For example, I am using this machine for fundamental installation purposes. I will give it like this. I will click on apply. It got applied. Let's click here done, and this one done. This one done. And now we need to give a root account password. Okay, I will give a common password. Look at here, admin at 123. Look at here, admin at 123. I will click allow root access. I will click done here. Okay. Again it is saying click two times done. So I will click again done. Now I will create a user. We will not be using a root account every time. We need a user on the machine. Okay. We have given admin privileges to the user account. So it will be in the wheel group membership. Wheel group is nothing but all the administrator will be under this wheel group. Okay. So let's give a password. I will give the same password. Okay, look at here. I have given same password. Again, I will click done. We will be held. We will be able to click two times done. Then let's go to next. Begin installation. It will take time. Okay, this process takes a lot of time. So let's just wait half an hour. So the operating system is already installed. Let's just reboot this. If you are able to see the screen, it means Oracle server is downloaded. Let's just click enter. Look, I can log in here. What was my username? Do you remember? This was my username and this was my password. Look, I have logged in. Let's just check my IP. Look at here. This is my IP address which I gave it. If you remember, I gave this IP address while installing the server. Okay, 92.168.40.126. This is the RAM 204. You can see. That's it, I guess. This is how you can install Linux in your system. So after logging off, I will just shut down this machine. Shut down. So after shutting down the machine, you need to do one thing. Close this. Go to Linux. Go to settings, and from here change this CD to boot. Sorry, from the CD to IDE. Then apply. Now every time it will not show you the installation pop-up. It will directly open the installed machine. Okay. Thank you. Just don't do anything here. It will automatically start. Don't do at that window anything. It will automatically start the already installed Oracle server. Now look, I will just first log in with my username. Puneet. See my password. Okay. Now I have logged into my machine. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down what video do you need next. This is just a basic how to video. Okay.